Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a failed RedotPay KYC verification. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up and become eligible for a free $5 welcome bonus. Now, when you open the RedotPay application for the very first time, on the home page itself, you are going to see the tab that would say KYC was rejected. So when you tap on that particular option, it is going to basically show the reason of the KYC rejection. In many cases, the application is going to tell you whether the issue is related to your document, your selfie, or any kind of personal information. So you need to verify that particular detail that you have entered, including your full name, your date of birth, and your document number, exactly matching the information on your government issued ID. Even small mismatches can cause the verification to fail. You can also check what name and date of birth you have added over here by tapping on this profile icon on the top, then tapping on this particular UID section. So over here you are going to see your email address and whether your KYC is approved or not. You can also go into the settings and then you can check the name and your date of birth. Now you need to also retake the document photos in the well lit area. Just make sure that the entire document is visible, the text is clear, and there is no reflections or shadows or blurry images before uploading them again. Then you need to complete the face verification one more time. Remove any kind of hats, sunglasses, masks, and look directly at the camera. Then simply follow further on-screen instructions until the scan is successfully completed. Then you need to complete your KYC again and wait for the review to finish. If your verification is still rejected, you can just simply contact to the Red.Pay customer service. So you are going to see this type of headphone icon on the top right hand corner. So you can simply tap on this and you can just simply try to contact with them by sending this particular message. And that's how you can basically fix this particular issue. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to